This is the value of this. On inspection, we can see that all the numbers in the top are 3 times the numbers in the bottom. And so the answer is 3. What fraction is shaded? Well, if we were to move some of these pieces around, so that little section there can go up there, this little section can go in there, and this section can go there, this section can go there. That would fill the whole of that square. And then if we move this section over to here, and this little section over to here, and these 2 sections over to here and here, that would fill the whole of this square. And then we would have 6 squares out of the 16 totally filled, and so the answer is 6 over 16, which simplifies to 3 over 8. Transposing these, if you imagine these pieces to be sticks, we could transpose them, that one over to there, that one over to there, this one up to here, this one up to here, and likewise this one down to here, this one over to here, this one over to here, this one over to here, and then the shape would just be a rectangle measuring 14 by 16. So what is the perimeter? Twice 16 is 32, twice 14 is 28. Add these 2 numbers together to get 60. The area of the small square, if you think of a piece of paper and fold these corners in along these folds, this corner would come to the center, this one would also, and this one would go to the center, this one would go to the center, and you'd soon find out that this smaller square inside is half the total, half the large square. So the large square has an edge length of 96, 96 squared. There's a Vedic method for doing this, which is a sub-sutra of Nikola multiplication. Whatever the extent of the deficiency, lessen it still further to give 92 and set up the square of the deficiency, deficiency 4 square of that 16, and we just halve this. Half 92 is 46, then 0, 8. 4608 is answer E. Which fraction is the smallest? We can compare the numerators here. If we were to multiply top and bottom of this fraction by 8, the top would be 8 and the denominator would end with 8 times 8, which is 64. Likewise, multiplying top and bottom of this one by 4, the top would be 8 and the end of the denominator would be 60. And here by 4, by 2, sorry, we'll give 2 and this would end in 72. Leave this one alone. This one by 4 will give 8 and 4 17s is 68. And we're looking for the smallest, so the larger the denominator, the smaller the fraction, and the largest denominator will be this this one, so it's C.